Does size matter? Well, at least when it comes to wine bottles, it definitely does. Today we are diving into one of the wine greatest debates. Is bigger really better? 75 cl versus 150 cl. Standard bottle versus Magnum. You might think, it's the same wine inside, right? And technically yes, but here is the nerdy truth. The wine actually ages better and tastes better from a Magnum. And it's all about the ratio between the wine and the oxygen in the bottle. When wine is in the bottle, there is a tiny pocket of air called lash or headspace between the cork and the wine. The little bit of oxygen is basically the same in 75 cl bottle or a Magnum. But here is the thing, because a Magnum holds twice as much wine, that same amount of oxygen has less impact. In simple terms, in a 75 cl bottle, a little oxygen does a lot of work. Wine ages faster. In a Magnum, the oxygen is diluted across more wine, so it's just more slowly, more gracefully. Translating this, Magnum, they do age slower, they stay fresher, they develop deeper, more complex characteristics, and I find them often, they have the rounder, silkier texture. And let's not forget, there is a time and place for each. The 75 centiliter bottle, perfect. Tuesday night pasta, solo Netflix binge, or pretending you only having one glass. Magnum are made for celebrations, weddings, birthday, big wins, important moments. You walk into a party with a regular bottle, nice. When you walk in with a Magnum, you're not just bringing the wine, you are bringing main character energy. And when I have a 75 bottle of wine I really love, I immediately check if I can buy a Magnum version too, because odds are it's going to be even better. So next time when you pick in the bottle, think big, because sometimes size isn't just about quantity, it is about quality. Alright, that's all for today. Remember, life is too short for small bottle. Hit the like, hit subscribe, and see you in the next one. Cheers. Oh, and one last thing. If a 75 centiliter bottle scores 100 points, does that mean the Magnum scores 101 or 102? Who's counting, right?